Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of LipoEasePlus.com. So this platform is basically providing a dietary supplement that will help you to lose your weight. So the product is called a LipoEase that supports your healthy weight loss. So as per their advertisement on their official website, it will activate your natural and healthy weight management and will help you to boost your metabolism and curbs appetite and promotes fat loss. And it also provides a steady energy and supports healthy digestion, because another thing that is their advertising is it uses all the 100% natural and safe ingredients, and they've also specifically listed the ingredients on their official website. So it sounds like a really good product to help that will help you out in your weight loss. But we never know, because this is the information they're providing on the official website. Once I tried searching for this product on Amazon, I got to know this product doesn't have any rating available on Amazon, which means like no one has purchased this on Amazon. And another concerning thing about this, once I tried searching for the reviews, I got to know it has upon kind of average reviews on the Trustpilot, but the concerning part is it is only based on 5 reviews. So this is very much concerning, because if someone is rating it 5 stars, it could be someone from their own company. A lot of people are giving just 1 star, and they're saying it have been taking it for 3 weeks and exactly the same weight. So in conclusion, I would say, based on information about their official website, it was also registered just few months back. So this product is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid purchasing this item, and you should go for some natural method of losing your weight, like exercise, because all these kind of supplements in the end of the day might have few sort of disadvantages. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.